is definitely slimy.
Almost like, feels like a leave-in conditioner. If you're into making your own hair care products, yeah, I would definitely give this a try. I'm gonna continue to make it. Okay, I'm gonna walk you guys through this and show you how exactly I made this wonderful hair care product. So I used whole flax seeds, and I also used water. Flax seeds and water. That's all it takes to make this base. Now I used a half of a cup of flax seeds, and I used 2 cups of water. Now I poured this into my mason jar, and we're gonna let this soak for overnight, or I think I let mine soak for 12 hours. You could cook these to make this faster, but by soaking them, you retain all the nutrients compared to cooking them. So that's what I did. Okay, it's the next day. This is what it's looking like. So it was in my fridge for, I think it was about 12 hours. So I'm going to strain it out. And, you know, it's kind of pretty. It don't smell bad. It smells like, I don't know, it just smells kind of earthy. So let's strain it out. I'll show you what I'm using. Okay, so to strain this out, I'm just gonna use, I don't think that I'm gonna use this. I mean, you could, but I think I'm just gonna use this old, like, mesh. I think it is a mesh bag. I used to use this to make my almond milk. So I just like scrubbed it real good and made sure it didn't have any residue or anything. I'm gonna use this, see how well it works. So, because I've seen people use this, and I think because of the seeds, I think I'm just gonna use this and see how well I can extract the gel first. All right, here it goes. I don't know if you guys, yeah, it's definitely slimy. That's what it's supposed to be though. Well, I guess this is gonna take a few minutes. I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I squeezed out a lot. See here. It don't smell as earthy as it did with the seeds. So you're supposed to use this on clean hair. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'll be back. Okay. So I'm gonna try it out while it's in here, but see the color? I mean, it's like a, I don't know, tan color? But here goes. They say to do it in strands. I mean, I have naturally curly hair, and I have very unruly naturally curly hair. So when I saw this one girl use this and say that it just made her hair, her curls just bounce, I'm gonna try it. So I was reading up on this flax gel, and apparently a lot of people were complaining because it don't last for very long, and people were looking for ways to preserve it longer. So if this works, I have a few ideas of what I'm gonna do. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to probably add a natural like preservative like vitamin E or tea tree. Tea tree will help, you know, it stay fresher longer, but this goes in the fridge. You can't leave this out or it will spoil very fast. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, it's pretty much dry now. I mean, yeah, it added a little bit of definition. I didn't use like a ton, so I don't know, it's kind of not crunchy. Certain parts is crunchy that, I mean, you gotta like try to really blend it, I think. But this is what it looks like in the back. I didn't put any conditioner in my hair or anything like that. I just washed it because I just wanted to see, I guess I just wanted to see what the results would be without me having to put any type of moisturizer in there. But I think it definitely needs a moisturizer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this vegetable glycerin and just to give it a little bit more softness maybe. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Because I didn't put any type of moisturizer or anything like that in my hair, in the morning, I'm going to put a little bit of moisturizer in my hair and then do this again and then see how it looks. I'm gonna give it another shot, see how it turns out. I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this, I got some lavender tea tree essential oils. I'm gonna put a few drops, well, put like 10 or so drops in there. And that's to help preserve it. And I'm also gonna put in some of this vegetable glycerin, just a couple drops. About 7 drops, maybe 8, put 8 in there. And then I'm gonna shake it up and put some on here pretty soon, hold on. Okay, this is what my hair is clean, but I let it dry and then I brushed it out. But let's try to, I think I'm gonna put this into a spray bottle. I think it'd probably work. A little bit in there. Oh yeah, that works a lot better. Yeah, I like that. Put it in a spray bottle. I'm just gonna use my brush and try to get it all nicely coated. Yeah, I already like the way that it feels. It's making my hair kind of, adding the glycerin and the lavender and tea tree. Yeah, it's like, almost like, feels like a leave-in conditioner. Kind of scrunch it a little bit. I don't want to add too much because I feel like it will weigh my hair down, maybe. But I definitely like this combination of adding the glycerin and the tea tree because it kind of feels like, I haven't colored my hair in like, I don't know, probably almost 10 years, but that conditioner that used to get in the box of the hair color that was like so good, that's what this reminds me of. Probably not the flaxseed just alone, but adding the glycerin and then, you know, I added some essential oils to it. Not only does it smell fantastic, but it's super soft. See that? Yeah, I don't want to put too much on, but I'll be back and show you guys what it looks like when it's all dry. I forgot to bring you guys back after it dried, so I figured that I'll show you guys what it looked like when we were in the car. And remind you, I did put this on when my hair was dry, so you can use this on dry hair as well. I also added like 2 drops of this castor oil here in it. Just 2 drops. But my hair feels really good. They don't feel hard. I don't know how to really describe it. Like, I don't know. Let me show you the back. It's still kind of wet, but this is what it's looking like. So this is it. It definitely gave it some, well, with the exception of my gray hair here. For some reason, all the really long gray hair that I have, it tries to go straight for some reason. That's kind of weird. Anyway, this is a really good hair product that I've come up with. I really like it. It makes my hair nice and, I don't know, it's just, and it smells good too. It smells like lavender. So, if you're into making your own hair care products, yeah, I would definitely give this a try. I'm gonna continue to make it. I love experimenting with all of the, DIYs for hair, for face, and I'm actually experimenting one with a facial serum right now. And I'm gonna be sharing that pretty soon too, because yeah, I'm liking the results. So yeah, I don't know if you see how it looks underneath. I didn't get them tight ringlets, which I probably could if I really wanted to and just sit here and, do the sculpting or whatever, but I ain't got time for that. So I just put it in when it's wet, and this is what it's gonna look like when it dries. It looks nice, I like it. Let me see, you guys can see, yeah. And my hair is almost like, I have so much gray going on, if you can see. But I love my gray hair. I've earned it. I don't color my hair anymore because it was damaging my hair. I stopped coloring my hair like 10 years ago. And the type of shampoo that I use is my homemade shampoo that I do have on our YouTube, and I think I put it on the TikTok too. I use that. I don't use regular shampoo in my hair, and yeah, I get really good results from it. But I really like this. I really like so the gel, I think I said it before, but you have to put it in the refrigerator. Now, I'm gonna do probably another video and see how long that this gel lasts before it starts smelling kind of funky. Because some people say a week, some people say 2 weeks. I did put a preservative in there, which is the tea tree. And I did put some of that vegetable glycerin in there. So I'm gonna see if it helps preserve it longer in the fridge. And if it does, yeah, yay. Oh, plus an update for my homemade shampoo. I put on the in the description that it would last like 3 weeks in the fridge. It's been about 2 months, and I'm still using it, and it's still good and it still works wonderfully. As long as you put it in the fridge, it should last. I'm thinking, if I had to guess, it probably lasts like 3 or 4 months in the fridge. So yeah, update on that too. And yeah, I'm happy. I didn't get, you know, the super tight ringlets like that one girl did, but like I said, I'm not gonna sit here and take each strand and do this, you know, sculpting it and stuff. I ain't doing that, but it does look really nice. Looks nice. So yeah, go make you some. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll leave all the measurements in the description for you guys. I like it. I like it a lot.